Today we will discuss the question number 1 of calculate the formula mass of the following compound. Number 1 is aluminum oxide, B sodium chloride, 3 magnesium chloride, and the D is potassium nitrate. The first one is aluminum oxide, that is Al2O3. As we all know, we have to find out the formula mass of the following compound is to add up the atomic masses of each elements present in a compound or molecule. So we have to memorize a first few elements of the periodic table of their atomic masses and also atomic number to solve the numericals easily. Let's start. Number 1 is aluminum oxide. As we know that it has 2 aluminum, so we taken a 2 multiply by aluminum. The atomic mass of aluminum is 27 plus 3 molecule of oxygen, that is 3 multiplied by 16. So 2 multiplied by 27 is 54 plus 3 multiplied by 16 is 48. So the answer is 102 AMU. AMU stands for atomic mass unit. Similarly, part B is sodium chloride, NaCl. The atomic mass of the sodium is 23 plus the atomic mass of the chlorine is 35.5. So the atomic mass of this compound is 58.5 atomic mass units. Sorry, I have to take razor. Atomic mass unit. Now the part C is magnesium chloride. The atomic mass of the magnesium is 24 plus the 2 molecule of chlorine. So we have to write 2 multiplied by chlorine has atomic mass 35.5. 24 plus 2 multiplied by 35.5. The answer is 71. So the final answer, when the add up to these masses of the elements, we have an answer 95 AMU. And the final question is potassium nitrate, KNO3. As we all know that the potassium has atomic mass that is 39 plus 1 nitrogen, so 14. Nitrogen has 14 plus 3 molecules of oxygen, that is 3 multiplied by atomic mass of the oxygen is 16. 39 plus 14 plus 16 multiplied by 3 is 48. The answer is 101 AMU. Understand? Thank you.